Hey guys, welcome to page 127 and 128. Make sure that you have your books today. We're going to be talking about some metric units of weight, okay? Peso, how much things weigh? Like, do you know how much this little paperclip weighs? Do you know how much this water bottle weighs? Do you know how much your cell phone that you're using to watch your videos maybe weighs? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Okay, so look what it says in the yellow box. Number 1, the basic metric unit of weight is gram. Now, if you get on a scale, if you get on a scale, a little balanza, you're going to weigh yourself in pounds. But if you're talking about ciencias, you're going to weigh things in grams, okay? Well, what is a gram? This is 1 gram. It's very, very, very small, okay? But if we talk about a kilogram, that means 1,000 of these things. You know what that is? That's about the weight of your cell phone, okay? Or this water bottle, or this book, okay? That is 2.5 pounds, which is 1 kilogram. Okay, so we do need to know how to read numbers that are in the metric units. So you need to know these prefixes, we call them prefijos. They are parts of the word that come before a word to change the meaning. So for example, if you have the word gram, okay, and you want to put remember this is gram, you want to put a prefijo in front of it. Let's put a prefijo of kilo. Kilo, you guys, means 1,000, and you need to know that. Kilo means 1,000. So if I put kilo in front of this, it's kilogram, and that means I have 1,000 grams, okay, kilogram. If I say hecto means 100, but let's start over here. No, I like starting here, and deca means 10, okay? So repeat after me. Deca, 10. Hecto, 100. Kilo, 1,000. So a kilogram has how many grams? 1,000. Hectogram has how many grams? 100. Decagram has how many grams? 10. Okay? But what about these? Milli, centi, and deci. Wow. Milli, centi, and deci all end in I. And don't they sound so cute? Milli, centi, deci. So they are chiquititos, okay? They are smaller than a gram. These are bigger. 10 grams is deca. Hectogram is 100. Kilograms is 1,000. It's big. But milli, centi, deci are small, okay? Meal, is a fraction of 1 over 1,000. Eso significa que necesita 1,000 milligrams to get 1 gram. 1,000 milligrams to get 1 gram. Mire, over here, kilo is 1,000 grams. 1,000 of these. But milligram means that you have to have that por dentro de esa cosa tan pequeña hay 1,000 milligrams. 1,000 milligrams, okay? Because milligrams they're so pequeñitos. Okay, so remember, kilograms means there's 1,000 de esas cosas. Milligram means there's 1,000 cosas más pequeñitas dentro de esa cosa pequeñita, okay? Centi is 1 over 100 because centi means 100, right? But it's small. That means there are 100 centigrams in this thing. 100 centigrams inside this thing, adentro. And deci means 1 over what? What do you think? 1 over 10. Okay? That there's 10 decigrams inside this thing. Okay? So repeat after me. Milli, 1/1,000. Centi, 1/100. Deci, 1/10. Okay, let's see if we remember that. tell me which one means 10. Which one, not 1/10, 10. Which prefix means 10? Deca. Good. Okay, what prefix means 1/10? Sama? Deci. Good. What prefix means 1/100th? Keanu? 1/100. Centi. Which one means 100? Kiara? Hecto. Which one means 1,000, Holly? Kilo. So which one means 1/1000th? Fernanda? Milli. Which three are the super, super, super small ones? Jayla? Centi, deci, and milli. Good job. Okay, so let's talk about how we do our homework then. Look at number 1. True or false? True or false? I'm going to help you with a few of these. Look at number 1, letter A. A meter is a unit of length. To measure longitude, you use a meter. True or false? Raise your hand for true. Raise your hand for false. It's true. A meter measures length. Kilometer, centimeter, millimeter. Those are all length. So look at letter B. A gram is a unit of weight. A unit of peso. True or false? I already taught you that. Look at letter C. A meter is a little longer than a yard. A meter is a little bit longer than a yard. I have taught you that before, but I'll tell you it's true. Recuerden que a yard is 36 inches, but a meter is 39. Letter D. A gram weighs a little more than a tonelada. A tonelada is 2,000 pounds. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now that is false. This is a gram. 2,000 pounds is like an elephant. Look at letter E. A metric ton is about 2,200 pounds. That's true. Okay, just so you know that. A normal ton is 2,000 pounds. A metric ton is 2,200 pounds. Another elephant. A milligram weighs more than a gram. I'm going to let you do that one on your own. I really want to see that you get it right. I taught you. A milligram weighs more than a gram. True or false? Okay, look at number 2, letter A. Well, look at the instructions. Circle the lighter. That means the one that pesa menos. Unit of weight in each pair. Which one is pesa menos? Gram or kilogram? What do you think? Raise your hand for gram. Raise your hand for kilogram. It's gram weighs less. Remember, this is a gram. This is a kilogram. There's 1,000 grams inside a kilogram. Letter B. Decigrams or grams. Now remember what I told you. Deci, centi, milli means small. So I'm not going to tell you the answer to that one. Tell me which one is smaller. Letter C. Hecto or centi? I told you which one was smaller. Letter D. Centi or deci? Okay. Centi or deci. They're both small, but look. Centi is smaller because you need more of them to get the gram, okay? There are 10 decigrams inside of this, but there are 100 centigrams. That means centigrams are super, super, super smaller, okay? So letter E, I'm going to let you decide on that one, and letter F, I'm going to let you decide on that one. Try it and think. Okay, look at number 3. Let's do this one together. You need to decide which metric unit of weight would you use to weigh these items. Okay, so think about it. You're gonna weigh some items. Are you gonna use a metric ton? A metric ton is 2,200 pounds, that's an elephant. Are you gonna use grams, or are you gonna use a kilogram? This is grams, super, super small, and a kilogram, normal, okay? Look at letter A, medicina. When you take medicina, is it super, super small, this big, or like an elephant? It's super small, so it's gonna be what? Gram, okay? Look at letter B, a box of books. A box of books. You decide, I'm not gonna tell you. Letter C, a house. Letter D, potatoes. Letter E, a cow. Letter F, a ship. Okay, you decide. Okay, number 4 and number 5, I think you can do by yourself. Number 6, I want to remind you how to do these. It says change the improper fraction to a mixed number or a whole number. What do you do? Remember, listen carefully. If this number is bigger on the top than this one on the bottom, you have to divide like this, okay? I'm going to show you the other thing that will happen if it's the other way around. So 1, 9, that's 5. 5 over what, Fernanda? 9. Okay? Now, that's what you need to do for all those, but look at number 7, reduce. How do you reduce? Now this one is where the number is smaller on the top than on the bottom, so in this case you're going to be reducing using division like that. I told you before the other day to start with either 2 or start with 3. Can you divide 3 by 2? No, so let's do 3 by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Can you reduce any more? No, because you can't divide 1 by anything. So there is your answer, okay? Number 8, on letter B, you're going to have to reduce your answer. So try to reduce. And number 9, I'm going to see if you guys try on this process, because when I do them on the board, some of you guys don't even do the process. So I want to see you guys try this process, and then I'll help you if you need help. But I want to see you try first, okay? Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.